Hi everyone, and welcome to Awesome English. This is lesson number 9. I had to think for a second. Today, I am going to teach you all about location, where something is, where things are. And to do that, we are going to learn some new words, but also we're going to take a little field trip, a little trip in my house, so we can see something and practice these words. Are you ready? I am. So let's get started with our first word. My eye. Okay, this one is in. In. It's in. Now, what is that? It is a phone, right? I think it's an iPhone, yeah. But where? Where is the phone? The phone is in the box. It is in the box. Now, I want you to hear something. Where is the phone? It is in the box. Why am I saying the? When you talk about location, you have to know about the location. We know exactly which location. If I say could be one of any location. But if I say the, you and I know which location. Okay? I'll show you more later. But first, just remember, when you talk about location, the. So where is the phone? The phone is in the box. Okay, cool. Number 2. What is that? It's a park, right? We have 2 people and they are somewhere. Parks are big, right? A park is very big. So where are they? They are at the park. Do you know where in the park? No, I don't know exactly where they are, but I know they are at the park somewhere. They could be here or here or here or here. They are at a park. Where? I don't know where in the park, okay? But I know they are at the park. So at is not specific. Where are you? I am at home. Where? Where are you at home? Oh, I am in my bedroom. Do you see that? I am at home, but where? Oh, I'm in my bedroom. At is not specific. So where are they? They are at the park. Awesome. Let's try number 3. Oh, okay. Where is she? She is on the bench. She is on the bench. Bonus. What is she doing? Reading. Good. So, where is she? She is reading on the bench. Yeah. We could put them together. Yeah. She is on the bench. Everyone kind of knows on, so that's an easy one. On the bench. Where is she? Where is she? Where? Subject. Answer. She is where? On the bench. Bingo. Number 4. I don't like math. Number 4. Okay. No, go back. This is under. My hair confused me. Under. Now, who is he? Santa. He is Santa. And what is he doing? He is taking a box and putting it where? Where is the box? The box is under the tree. The present, the gift, is under the tree. It's under the tree. So, where is Santa putting the gift? Santa is putting the gift under the tree. Under. Okay, cool. My hair is gonna drive me crazy today. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Okay. Where is the mug? Where is the mug? It's next to the cereal. This is next to. Where is the mug? It is next to the cereal. Where is the cereal? It is next to the mug. Where am I? I am next to the pillow. Next to. Don't worry, we're going to practice these more. All right, number 6. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it. Now, where is she? Where is she? She is behind. She is behind the window. Where am I? I'm behind the notebook. Okay? Where is she? She is behind the window. Behind. Cool, we're getting faster. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Number 7. Oh, that's a nice TV. Where are they? Where are they? They are in front of the TV. Where are they? They are in front of the TV. They're going to watch a movie. Where are they? In front of. In front of what? Where is the notebook? It is in front of me. It is in front of me. So, oh, you could just had that button. Where is the notebook? I forgot my TV's there. It is in front of me. Cool. And the last one. The last one. Oof. We are up high in the air. Where are we? We are above what? The building. Really high. We are above the building. Above the building. Okay, now let's take a little trip in my house and practice these words. Okay, so let's take a look at a real situation where we can use these words that we've learned. Let's take a look at this shelf. This shelf has many things on it. Well, it has a bag right here, and it has a camera and a book, and oh, there's more cameras up here, and I have a camera here in a case. Oh, my scissors. I don't know why I have scissors, but I have scissors right here. So let's try this. Let's try and say, where are the scissors? Where are the scissors? Here. Now, where are the scissors? Bag, right? So our subject is scissors. The scissors are, Where are they? In the bag. The scissors, subject. So your subject is first, then your location. Remember that. Subject, then location. The scissors are in the bag. Let's keep trying this. Let's take the scissors out, okay, and put it right here. I hope you can see that. Now, I'll set them here. Yeah, now I know you can see that. Where are the scissors? Where? So we're going to say, where are the scissors? And then we're going to switch. The scissors are on what? The scissors, the subject, the scissors are on the shelf. The scissors are on the shelf. Okay, cool. How about this camera? Where is this camera? This camera is on the shelf. Cool. So it works like that. It's on the shelf. Now, let's say, where are the scissors? Ooh, don't fall. Please don't break. Where are the scissors? They are under. They are under what? The scissors are under the camera. Now, why are we saying the for every noun? Why are we saying the for every noun? Because we know which noun. When you talk about location, it's very important to know which location. I can't say a camera, right? Where are the scissors? They are under a camera. Well, I have a camera here, I have a camera here, and I have a camera that you probably can't see. That's not specific. That's not an accurate location. So we say the because we know which camera. Where are the scissors? They are under the camera. Okay, let's take that out. Now let's say, where is the bag? Where is the bag? Well, you don't know what this is, so let's put this here. Where is the bag? The bag is, well, on the shelf, okay, but let's use a different one. The bag is next to the camera. The bag is next to the camera. Okay, cool. The bag is next to the camera. Here, let's try something else. Okay, I have two cameras now. We have to use more detail, right? Where is the bag? It is next to the green camera. Okay, cool. So we've used on, we've used in, we've used next to. What else do we have? We had under. Where is the bag? It is under, under the camera. But which camera? There's two cameras. It's under the black camera. Yeah. Where is the bag? It is under the black camera. Okay, cool. See how this works. Now let's see. We had under, we had in, we had on, right? Where am I? Where am I? I am behind. Good. I am behind the bag, or I am behind the shelf. Yeah, I am behind the shelf. I am behind the green bag. I am behind the shelf. Now I am behind the black camera. Why? Because we have two cameras. I can't say camera because which one? The black one or the green one? Cool. So we've got on, under, right? We have in, we have next to, and now we have behind. Okay, so now, where am I? I am in front of the shelf. I am in front of the green bag, right? Yeah, I'm in front of the green bag. I'm in front of the camera case. My hair is in the way. I am, where am I? I am in front of the shelf. I am next to the black camera. I am next to the green bag. Where am I? I am behind the shelf. I am next to the bag, the green bag. Where is the book? Let's see here. Bonus time. Where is the book? It is on the shelf, but where? There's lots of things on the shelf. The book is on the shelf between. It's between the bag and the green camera. Whoa, we have gotten so many of these, except for at. Where am I? I am at my house. At is for a non-specific location, like we said before. Yeah, you got that. So let's practice this one more time. Where is the black camera? Good. It is on the shelf. Where is the black camera? Here, I'll touch them. Where is the black camera? It is above. We didn't do above. We did under. But now above. It's the opposite. Where is the black camera? It is above the book, above the bag, above the green camera. Okay, so now we've done above. Where is this book? So the book is on the shelf between the green bag and the green camera. The book is under the black camera. The book is in front of me. The book is in front of me, right? The book is in front of you. Yeah, because you are looking at the book. The book is in front of you. I'm looking at you. The book is in front of me. You are in front of me. So we've got on, in. Where is the book? It's in the bag. I hope that made sense. I'm sweating now. It's hot. Now, I hope you had fun today taking a little field trip and looking at my cameras and finding out where things are. I hope this made it easy for you. Now, you are doing amazing, and tell me some stuff. Give me some sentences. Where are things in your house? All right, I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.